anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly. They will